How to add friends on Letterboxd. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add friends on Letterboxd. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first of all, you must create an account here on Letterboxd, and once you have it, here is your username and you're gonna click on settings. There on settings you have the option here on connections to connect your Letterboxd account to your Twitter account or X account by now and Facebook account. In that way you're going to be able to share extra content in these platforms and probably make some new friends here. And probably here back into the homepage you're gonna watch some different profiles. Let's suppose here the cinema corner. So I'm going into this review, I'm going to click here into the profile name, and this is the profile, and I'm going to be able to follow this profile. But just by following, I'm not going to be able to share messages or kind of stuff, just to, to follow the content and the movies that this person is sharing here on Letterboxd. You're going to be able to check some reviews. For instance, here, My Darling Clementine. And if you want, make some comments. If you want to have a contact or share some messages with this person. But in order to do that, you must validate your email address. So probably if I click here, you're going to receive a verification mail where you can verify your account. So if you don't receive their automated emails, please check your junk spam folder and try adding robot@letterboxd.com to your email contacts to increase the likelihood of receiving them, okay? Just in case you have that. And that's it. That's how you're going to be able to add friends on Letterboxd.